In the beginning, before there was the word. Written word, spoken word, zeros, ones, alphabet, hot type, papyrus, ochre handprints. Before there was man. Human, wise man, sapiens, homo sapiens sapiens. Before there was time.
Tick-tock, 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 tick-tock.
There was primordial mud. $1,000 million years. An amniotic sea. Molten rock, smashing, grinding, buckling continental plates. Alchemy of time, heat, pressure, metamorphosis, chrysalis. Now there is shale, granite, sandstone, quartz, splintered, shards worn down, milled to sand, powder, dust.
Tick-tock, 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 tick-tock.
100 million years. Hot, not quite desert, near desert, nearly there, on the edge of the desert proper. The rain comes, sparingly, in winter, just a cupful a year, just one cup falling on any patch of ground.
Tick-tock, 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 tick-tock.
5 million years. Dwarf plants grow, plump little leaves, morsels for some, shelter for others, engineers that bind the ground in place. They withstand sandblasting winds, shrivel into the ground to outlive drought, shrug off the heat. Towering over all this is one giant, desert royalty. Trunk, trumpet-shaped, tapering, before branching arms throw themselves wide into a candelabra canopy. Each arm finishes with lush green blades, reservoirs of water, edged with serrated, smoothed-off teeth. Pith as porous as birds' bones. Bark, brittle as porcelain, blonde, ash blonde, burnished by the sun to brunette tints. Its hollowed-out arms become the vessels that hold the arrows of the first peoples of this desert.
Sa isipa musin utas nga keti ihakaretana sa.
This is the quiver tree.
Tick-tock, 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 tick-tock.
300 years ago, 50 years ago, now there is man. Human, proud man, conceited man, hubris, homo hubris. Air choked with carbon. 2 degrees, 3 degrees, 4 degrees, madness. The desert ground at the feet of the tree aloe is threadbare from overuse. Hungry farmers, hungry herds. A new diamond rush, grubby little hands gouging out the earth. Shakes the sand free from its moorings. Now the desert is more than, greater than, harder than, hotter than ever. Sand is adrift, newly nomadic, swept into motion by a wind that blows most foul. Hot wind, waterless air, confounding, razor sharp with shards of sand, slaying plants, smothering plants. Pale blue dot, earth, living water. Sand laps over a waterless desert where the quiver tree once reigned. Bright red planet, Mars, ghost of extinct water. It is the devil's breath, this wind, whistling around the headstones of dead tree aloes as it moves between here and who knows where. Where to now? Where to from here?